friends, welcome to Tech Hunt in English YouTube channel. This is Swarna. Let's get started our today's updates. Coming to the first news is about Xiaomi. Xiaomi is going to launch many number of phones in 2021. Ross Young, the CEO of DSCC, has tweeted that Xiaomi is going to launch three foldable phones in 2021. These foldable phones are coming in three different types. One is in-folding, another one is out-folding, and last one is clamshell. These phones are looking similar to Huawei Mate X. The expected size may be around 8 inches. Right. And also we can expect Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 in 2021. The phone comes with 7.55-inch main display and the cover is about 6.21-inch long display. Let's see what more new technology we can see in 2021. Moving to the next update is from Nokia. Nokia has launched a few smartphones over the years so far. And among all these smartphones, Nokia 8.3 is a unique one which comes with 5G network. As per the leaks, Nokia is planning to bring 5050 mAh battery in the next year. And we can expect this 5050 mAh battery in Nokia 9.3. This is going to be the first phone coming with 5000 mAh battery so far launched mobile phones of Nokia. Moving to the next update is from Ernst & Young Company. This company has made an announcement that it is going to hire 9,000 people in India in 2021. Mainly it is hiring in different sectors like artificial intelligence, cyber security, machine learning and few more. This company is concentrating more on technology and data security. It is a great opportunity for the students and you can grab this opportunity who is interested. Moving to the next, as we all know, Government of India has made FASTag as the mandatory for all the vehicles. From January 1st, 2021, all the vehicles should have the FASTag. If you are not yet have taken the FASTag, definitely you can purchase at any NHAI toll plazas or online in Amazon, Flipkart or Snapdeal. Almost all the vehicles are having FASTag and on 25th December, the toll collection through this FASTag has crossed 80 crore. Friends, moving to the last update, I would like to share one important news is about cyber crimes. Day by day, the number of cyber crimes are increasing in India. And you all might have heard about instant loan apps where you can get the loan amount very easily. When someone is taking loan from these instant loan apps, they don't need to go to their offices. They need to provide only some PAN card details, Aadhaar details and other verification details. That's all. They will get some amount as a loan for 7 days or 15 days as per the requirement of the person. Until here there is no problem. Once the loan amount is disbursed to the person, the actual scene will start. If the loan amount is not paid, the person will get the threatening calls, abusive calls daily. And the company will start tracking the contact list of that person and they will start sending messages to the relatives and friends of that contact list and they may even call. And in recent months, these kind of crimes are happening more. I request you not to get attracted and not to take loan from this instant loan apps. Try to share this information about the instant loan apps and try to educate each and everyone who is surrounding you as your responsibility. So friends, this is all for today's updates. If you like this video, share, comment and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.